Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. So what we need on the phone is the side button, it is this one here, and the volume up button. And if you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the side button here and the power button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. If you're tapping now on the pivot here, you are able to edit the screenshot, maybe like cropping here. So if you want to crop a picture on a website or something like this, and also with these pens here, you can draw something inside. After, if you're ready with it, you can share it directly or just go on done, and then you can save it to your photos or to your files. I prefer the photos. And then you will find the screenshots at the photos here. And as you can see, I had already some tries. And yeah, at the category album, it has its own category named screenshots here. And there you will find all your screenshots you did on the phone. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.